Hello, besties. It's your girl Toyin. This is your sign to book a trip this year to Italy. Yes, today we're going to Italy. So save this for your next Italian inspiration. The next few months are perfect to visit many of Italy's stunning destination before they get too crowded during the summer. Okay, I think that this time, April, May, June are some of the best time to visit the likes of Saint-Tel, Amalfi Coast, and Lake Como. Temperatures will be warm, but the fewer crowds than you get during summer. Cities such as Rome, Milan will also be less crowded during this period. April, May, June, they're going to be less crowded. Okay, and the less scintillingly hot around this month, rather July into August. So, what's your best place to visit in Italy? Tell me, what's your best place to visit in Italy? Like I said earlier on, you can visit Terre Amalfi Coast and Lake Como. The temperature will be warm and fewer crowds than you get during the peak summer. Cities such as Rome, Milan will also be less crowded and less stifling hot and less stifling hot this period. Okay, I'm sorry, blah, 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 rather than the months of July and August. Cities such as Rome and Milan will also be less crowded and less stifling hot. Okay, what's your favorite place in Italy? Drop a comment, share this video. Okay, share with somebody who's gonna be needing it. Till I come your way sometime, I'm your girl Toyi, your travel guide on internet. Yeah, we travel on the internet. If we can't go there yet, we'll travel here. We'll explore the world right here on my page. Okay, till I come your way next time. Bisous.